Yo, what up, YouTube? This is how you make your own BNC connector with your basic cable like this. You got this, okay? You got your soldering gun, got your solder. Okay, hold on. See, no connector. This goes into the hole like this. You see? It goes into that little tiny hole in the middle and then just ground it out. Use a regular VGA cable and you can make your own BNC connector. Thank you. This is what mine looks like. And that goes to the VGA cable to your computer. And you get this.